Okay, let's see how this one turns out. We've done something that has a similar looking person on the front, but I'm sure I haven't done this particular one because of the months. It's recent. It's a recent magazine, so it shouldn't have the same image, but the same person, the same model appears to be in the picture. So I'm wondering, I'm going to make it 141.4, and going to make this one highly contrasty. Actually, we're going to make that a bit darker. I'm not going to make it too light because it's a very... Actually, no, we're going to leave it. We're going to do it like that. Let's see what we have to present. We have here a Chinese lifestyle magazine, and this model I've seen before and similar sort of lighting. I don't know if that's the same image, but it's the August to October, and I haven't had one since before then. So we're just going to make this look interesting. Going to slip and slide this image. Okay, out it comes. Let's see how this looks. Whoa, that looks interesting. That looks very interesting. In some ways I like it, in some ways I'm thinking no, but I'm actually thinking, what are we going to do with this image? It's a funny one. I wonder if we can do another image and see if we can make a better version. And maybe we're going to try that again. Pity we had the heading, the header up the top. We're going to just put her down just near the top, but I don't think we can get rid of the writing because it's too close to her head. So, but let's see how that looks. That writing is a nuisance, that heading, should I say. That heading is a nuisance, but now we've made something better. I think this can work. This abstracted image can work. Look at it. That looks really good. I'm really happy with that overall appearance. We're going to use it. So, just going to switch it over. Just going to remove the enlargement. Just make a few little tweaks here and there. Maybe the contrast, we'll just leave it. And the copy density could go a bit darker. I think that's pretty much all we need to do. And this could go into a waiting room and a Chinese person could enjoy some good reading. Well, it's probably not the greatest reading. It's lifestyle, which means it's to do with being rich. It's for rich people, but I still think a lot of people dream about being rich, so they, when they're in a waiting room and they find a magazine that's about celebrities or riches, they're automatically drawn to it, even though they'll never experience the lifestyle of being rich and famous. So, yeah. Anyway, that looks really brilliant. I like the yellow. There's a lot of yellow in there now. That looks really good. So that's our first piece. And this part's the second piece. So that's our second piece to this job. So we'll just line up the corners like so. That's our two normal. We're just going to make two mirrored versions of this. Okay, folks, here we go. So let's see how this comes out. Okay, out it comes. These are our pieces for our job, our mirror image job. So this is a lot better than the first, you know, even though there's writing all over it. Sometimes the writing isn't a problem. In this case, it adds to the image in many ways. So let's try and line this up. Folks, it's not easy lining pieces up like this. Just try not to shake too much. There you go. Well, that looks really interesting. I think now we can call this demo quits.